Welcome. I'm going to show you how to edit the leaning frame mockup in Photoshop. So first you want to be using this handy layers panel right here. If you don't see the layers panel, just go to Window, Layers to bring it up. Now to insert your design in the frame, you just want to double click the thumbnail icon in the Design-Canvas layer. And that's going to bring up a smart object where you can copy and paste your design. Next just go to File, Open. And then find your design. And then once that opens, we just want to go to Select All, then Edit, Copy, and click back on the Smart Object tab and go to Edit, Paste. You might need to resize that. To do that, go to Edit, Free Transform. I'm going to press Control- to zoom out. On a Mac, you'd press Command-. And in newer versions of Photoshop, you just want to click on any of the four corners and drag to resize it. In older versions, you used to have to hold down the Shift key to keep it proportional. So if you see your design getting distorted, go to Edit, Undo, and then do the opposite of whatever you're doing, whether that's holding on the Shift key or not holding it down. And when you've got it resized right, just hit Enter. And then go to File, Save, to save the smart object. And when it's done updating, just click the little X to close it. And you can close your original graphics. And you'll see it put the design in the frame just like that. If you want to, you can change the frame color and the wall color. To change the frame color, just click the arrow next to the frame layer and then the arrow next to the second frame layer. And then you just want to double click the thumbnail icon in the color-frame layer. And that's going to open up the color picker. You can enter values here if you know them, or you can click in the rainbow slider to choose any solid color. And then you can click in the gradiated box to change the lightness and darkness of that color. So if you want black, we're going to click way down here. And if you want to change the wall color, just click the arrow next to backgrounds and then the arrow next to color changing wall, and double click the thumbnail icon in the change wall color layer. And you can click in the rainbow slider or the gradiated box again, or you can kind of hover over your image and you'll see this little eyedropper. You can just click anywhere in the image to choose a color from your design. We'll click OK. And that's pretty much all there is to editing the leaning frame mockup in Photoshop. If you want to use this online as a thumbnail, like on Etsy, you'll want to save a version as a JPEG. To do that, just go to File, Save As, and then change the drop-down menu next to Save as Type to JPEG, and click Save. And I always use the highest quality I can, so we'll leave it on 12 maximum. And if you want to save a layered PSD file of your design, you just go to File, Save As the second time, and just make sure the type's set to Photoshop PSD. You might want to maybe change the file name for each of your designs. Please message me at melissabmockups.com if you have any questions. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you get updates to future videos. And as always, this mockup and other mockups are available at melissabmockups.com. Thank you.